Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to tackle a common question: how to change the time on your Amazon Firestick. It's a simple process, but if you're new to Firestick or just haven't done it before, it might not be immediately obvious. 1. First things first, make sure your Firestick is powered on and connected to your TV. Then, grab your Firestick remote. 2. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the settings menu. You can do this by scrolling to the right and selecting the gear icon at the top. 3. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select My Fire TV or Device. 4. In the device menu, select About. 5. Here you'll find various information about your Firestick, including the current date and time. To change the time, select Time. 6. In the time menu, you'll see options to set the time manually or automatically. If you want the Firestick to automatically set the time based on your internet connection, make sure the automatic option is toggled on. 7. If you prefer to set the time manually, toggle off the automatic option. Then, select Set Time and use the on-screen keyboard to enter the correct time. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time on your Amazon Firestick. It's a simple process, but it can be useful if the automatic time setting isn't working correctly, or if you prefer to set the time manually. Thanks for watching.